Welcome again to the Bachelors Kitchen. Today we are here again with my brother
James.
Yeah, today my viewers and our brothers, we are going to prepare steamed rice and beef stew. So here in our kitchen today, what we are going to use, because the aim of this program basically is to teach men how to be responsible in the kitchen. And another thing, we are also feeding the street families who are suffering at this particular time and they don't have anything to eat. So they are at home. If you are a man there, please don't just stay. You don't know how to cook. Your wife may be sick. You may be at home alone. Know how to use your kitchen very well. And we are here to work with you and to show you how you should use your kitchen.
If you are a lover of spices, today in our kitchen we have 4 spices. So first we are going to use cinnamon, then we have coriander, then we also have paprika and turmeric. So this will be our main spices for today's meal.
So I put on my gas. Then after that, I pick golden fry. Mafuta safi. Mafuta ive. Bachelors pale nyumbani, nadhani mnafuatilia, you are following us, so that usibaki kwa nyumba peke yako ushinde utapika nini. Sasa najua there is a lot of challenge. Mmezoea kula kwa hoteli, now you are staying at home. So hotels are closed, please learn how to cook.
You can see our meat is already cooked, and from the look it looks tasty and yummy.
If you are trying this at home, you are a bachelor, you want to cook and you don't know which steps you are supposed to use, please drop a comment on our YouTube channel and immediately we are going to answer and give you tips on how to prepare your food. Remember, we are also doing this for charity, doing this for the street children back there. So please support us through our PayBill number that is there, and then you can also drop some foodstuffs for us. If you call us, we'll be able to pick the food wherever you are, or you can contact us and we can tell you where to drop the food for us.
tunaambia wasee wenye wako na uwezo kama promote kama matipakudozi na food na ukiona hivyo utashukuru.
Pia sisi tunasema asante kwa mdogo kwa mnasaidia na chakula.